In Omaha, many businesses struggle to get noticed online, feeling like their websites are shouting into a void. Despite investing in Omaha SEO, results often fall flat. This frustration is common, but there are solutions. First, consider common SEO mistakes. Neglecting keyword research can lead to missed opportunities. Understanding what potential customers are searching for is crucial. Tools exist to help identify the right keywords. Mobile friendliness is another critical factor. In 2025, a non-responsive site is practically invisible. Most users browse on their phones, so ensuring a seamless mobile experience is essential. Testing on various devices can reveal issues. Local SEO is vital for Omaha businesses. Claiming a Google business profile and ensuring consistent name, address, and phone number across platforms helps establish a local presence. This is akin to planting a flag in the Omaha digital landscape. Creating original, high-quality content is key. Thin or duplicate content can harm rankings. Thin content lacks enough words on the page. Engaging blog posts, guides, and videos that provide value to visitors are essential. Google prioritizes quality, so focus on creating unique content. Technical SEO shouldn't be overlooked. Site speed, crawlability, and site structure are foundational elements. Look out for broken links or pages with 404 errors. A technical SEO audit can reveal hidden issues affecting performance. Regular audits ensure the site remains optimized for search engines. Pagination is another area often neglected. Missing rels next and rel prev tags can confuse search engines. Consistent URL structures and unique content across paginated pages are necessary to avoid penalties. To connect with Omaha customers, ensure the website clearly states its location. Include the full address with a map in the footer and use schema markup to help search engines understand the business's relevance. Getting listed in online directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages further boosts visibility. Engaging with local content is also beneficial. Writing about Omaha events and attractions shows Google that the business is an active community member. This local focus can significantly enhance search rankings. For actionable steps, prioritize content quality. Regularly update the website to reflect current trends and technologies. Local citations should be consistent across platforms to improve rankings. Social media can drive traffic and build brand awareness. Focus on platforms where the target audience is active, sharing engaging content and fostering community interaction. Lastly, SEO is an ongoing process. Tracking progress through tools like Google Analytics allows for data-driven adjustments. Regularly analyzing performance helps refine strategies and improve visibility. In conclusion, if Omaha SEO efforts aren't yielding results, it's time to reassess. Focus on keywords, mobile optimization, and local strategies. With patience and the right approach, businesses can enhance their online presence and attract more customers. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. If you need SEO, please consider Websnoogie with a plan for only $140 per month.